Money is the only monster in America that never sleeps. It hides in red numbers, overdue envelopes, and that sick moment when your card says declined. I should know. I'm a stray dog in a small American town. I watch humans get hunted by that monster every night. One of them is Jake. Jake lives in a faded trailer on the edge of town, works nights at a warehouse for barely enough to stay broke. Every paycheck shows up dead on arrival. Rent, gas, groceries, debt. Gone in days. By day 4, he's back to counting coins like they're hopes. One rainy night, he pulls into the gas station, tank empty, hands shaking from another brutal shift. Thunder cracks overhead. He swipes his card. Declined. Again. Declined. Damn, he whispers like the word might fix something. But the monster just laughs in the dark. I hear his breathing change. The shadows around him stretch thin like memories crawling out. Footsteps echo in his head. Late bills, bad habits, small mistakes coming back to bite. He looks at his banking app. $40-something left, 5 days till payday, rent due in 6. Wow, I'm so screwed, he mutters. His voice cracks like he's breaking. I send a thought toward him, soft but sharp. You're not screwed. You're asleep. Humans only hear me when they're desperate. Tonight, Jake hears everything. Flashbacks hit him. Fast food, beers, random Amazon crap, monthly subscriptions he forgot he even had. Little purchases that felt harmless but stacked up like knives. Each swipe a tiny ouch he ignored. He laughs once, bitter. This is some horror movie crap, man. No, I think it's your habits. Jake takes the last 20 in his pocket, buys a few gallons of gas. Drives home in silence. No music, just rain and regret. Inside his trailer, he dumps every bill and statement onto the table. Credit cards, rent notice, overdue phone bill, bank screenshots. The monster hates light, but Jake flips the switch anyway. He writes every number down, what he earns, owes, wastes. It hurts, but pain means waking up. Damn, bro, he whispers. I'm spending like I'm rich, living like I'm drowning. His hands tremble. He wants to run, and you stay prey, I think. Face it and you become the hunter. Jake circles the dumb spending and crosses it out. Needs over wants. Rent, gas, groceries. He picks one small debt, the lowest card, and whispers, "You're going down first." The rain quiets. Something shifts in him too. Over the next weeks, life doesn't magically bloom. It just gets real. He starts packing cheap lunches, picking up one extra warehouse shift, putting all that extra money into killing that one card. His friends text, "Yo bar tonight?" And he sighs before replying, "Can't, man. Grinding." It stings. But the monster shrinks a little. On weekends, he buys old tools and lawnmowers from yard sales, fixes them, flips them online. Grease on his hands, dirt on his clothes. But for once, the extra cash has a purpose. I watch him leave earlier, come home later, eyes tired but focused. The monster still circles him, but now it keeps its distance. Months pass, another stormy night, same gas station, same flickering lights, different Jake. He walks in steady, not scared. His phone buzzes, a bank notification. This time he doesn't flinch, he checks it. 2 paychecks worth still sitting there. Not gone, not swallowed, still alive. Wow, he breathes. But this time it's pride, not panic. He's still in the same trailer, still driving the same beat-up truck, still stacking boxes for a living. But money isn't hunting him anymore. He's hunting it. He kneels beside me near the doorway, rain dripping off his jacket. He actually smiles. "Hey, buddy, we're gonna be okay." If you're listening and your chest whispered, "That's me," then hear this clearly. The monster isn't the bills. It's the blindness, the numb swiping, the running from numbers already chasing you. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to wake up, face your money, kill one small debt, cancel one useless thing, make one smart choice tonight instead of one stupid one. The monster hates that. It hates momentum. It hates truth. It hates you rising. One day you'll check your balance and realize you're not waiting for the next paycheck to breathe. You'll feel the shift Jake felt the night the hunter finally woke up. And when that day comes, remember my voice in the dark. You were never meant to be hunted by money. You were always meant to hunt your future.